The Central and Eastern Europe region is not an easy one to sell anything in. Price is key. In this environment, Heineken is the green diamond of the beer shelf. So we decided to take the competition head-on. Heineken now comes in a uniquely different pack size, but at similar pricing to the competitors' standard 50 centilitre bottles. To spread the good news to the consumers, all 4 launch markets made sure the 40 centilitre was positioned as a standout offer. And it worked. The 40 centilitre has been delivering on all key objectives. Decreased the price point of the total Heineken brand. It opened up new distribution opportunities. It supported the total volume increase. And it increased profitability of the total Heineken brand. Each market is its own success story. In the Czech Republic, sales are 25% above the monthly budget. In Germany, consumers have awarded the Heineken 40 centilitre innovation Favorite Product of the Year in the beer category. In Croatia, the 40 centilitre has overtaken the volume of the 50 centilitre last year, with distribution starting in May. In Serbia, the 40 centilitre is the fastest growing Heineken SKU, leading to double our share. The 40 centilitre is a smart, pragmatic solution that makes Heineken accessible while improving its equity. It brings it one step closer to our consumers in Central and Eastern Europe.